Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about how to balance a chemical equation. First of all, what is a chemical equation? Chemical equation is an equation that represents a chemical reaction in form of formulas. Okay. Now, what is a balanced chemical equation? A balanced chemical equation is the equation that has same number of atoms on the both sides. From both sides, I mean on reactant and the product side. Now, reason that we have to balance the chemical equation is because of the law of masses. According to law of masses, mass can neither be destroyed or neither be created. So that means the chemical equation should be balanced. It should have same number of atoms on both reactant and both product side. So so now I am going to tell how to balance a chemical equation. For that, I am going to take example from your NCERT book. So for that, I am going to write the chemical equation which is unbalanced. Now this is an unbalanced chemical equation. Okay. Now how to see that this equation is balanced or not? For seeing that the chemical equation is balanced or not, we have to check the number of atoms on both sides of reactant and product. On the reactant side, we can see that iron has one atom, hydrogen has two atoms, and oxygen has one atom. And and on the product side, ferric oxide compound has total 7 atoms, that is 3 of iron, 4 of oxygen, and 2 of hydrogen. So now we can see that atoms are not at all balanced because iron on the left hand side has one atom, whereas iron on the right hand side, I mean product side, has 3 atoms, whereas hydrogen has 2 on the left hand side and it also has 2 on the right hand side, so it is balanced. But oxygen has one atom on the left hand side, but it has 4 atoms on the right hand side. So we need to balance this equation. Okay. To do that, first of all, I am going to draw a table. And I am going to write all the elements of the equation on this side. Iron, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, to balance equation, we have to remember certain rules, that we have to start balancing a chemical equation from the compound which has maximum number of atoms. For example, in this equation, we can clearly see that ferric oxide compound has maximum number of atoms, that is 7, 3 of iron, 4 of oxygen. Okay, so in this compound we have to see which element has maximum number of atoms. We can clearly see that in this compound ferric oxide, oxygen has maximum number of atoms, that is 4. So we have to start balancing the chemical equation from oxygen. First of all, I have to write all the atoms in this table. Left hand side, iron has one atom. On right hand side, iron has 3 atoms, whereas hydrogen has 2 on both sides, and oxygen has 1 on left hand side and 4 on right hand side. Okay, so I have told you that we have to start balancing the chemical equation from oxygen. So to balance this equation, I will multiply oxygen on left hand side with 4. Let me write the equation again. Okay, now I have to multiply oxygen with 4 on left hand side. So we should also remember one thing, that we cannot change the formula of any compound. So we cannot change the formula of water or ferric oxide. So we have to multiply it with whole compound. Okay. So I multiplied 4 with water. Now according to the rule of BODMAS, 4 gets multiplied with hydrogen and as well as oxygen. So we can see that hydrogen here has 8 atoms now and oxygen has 4 after multiplying. Now we can see that oxygen is balanced, but now hydrogen gets unbalanced. To balance this hydrogen, I will this is 8 because we have multiplied it with 4. So to balance this equation and to balance hydrogen, I have to multiply this hydrogen on the right hand side with 4 to make it 8. I hope this is clear to you. Now we can see that hydrogen is also balanced, but iron is still not balanced. To balance iron on left hand side, I have to multiply it with 3 so that it gets balanced. I will multiply it with 3. Now you can see iron here has 3 atoms, hydrogen here has 8 atoms, oxygen has 4, and on the product side, iron has 3, oxygen has 4, and hydrogen has 8 atoms. So this is a complete balanced chemical equation. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching my video.